Good morning, dear students. So today we are going to start our last chapter of English grammar of UT 1, that is chapter number 14, prepositions. Chapter number 14, prepositions. It is given in your book, page number 66. You can see your book, open your book and see the chapter prepositions. When you will look at the heading, you can see that it is prepositions. P-R-E, if we will break it into two parts, P-R-E and positions differently, then you can see that it is showing us some hint about the chapter. So this hint is like this, as you can see on your mobile screen. Pre means before and position means placement. So it will tell you the position of anything with relation to the noun or pronoun or noun phrase. So, or you can also see one more image is displaying on your screen, that is showing you the most common relations, that is preposition, movement, if it is moving from that place, or position or time. I will give you various examples for that. So it is the position which will tell you with the help of this. One more image is coming on your screen in which the position of the cat is given. So you can see in the picture, where is the cat? The question is coming, where is the cat? As you can see, the cat and the box. So in the first part you can see the cat and the box. The cat, where is the cat in the first question? The cat is in the box. In is given with red color. That means the cat is sitting inside the box. That is in the box. Next question is coming. Where is the cat? Now on the next box you can see it is sitting over on that box. So the cat is on the box. It is not inside, it is on, sitting on the box. Next, the third picture, where is the cat now? The cat is under the box. It is hiding under the box. This examples will show you the different positions of the cat. As you can see, it is in the box, on the box and under the box. So in, on, under, all three are preposition which is telling you the position of the cat. So dear children, the definition of the preposition is a word. Preposition is a group of words used before a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, special relationships, or to introduce an object. Some examples of prepositions are words like in, at, on, of and to. So these are some examples of prepositions. Now there is one more image displaying on your screen where you can see a cat playing with the wool balls. So you can join with arrows, or you can see with yourself, you can do it as an exercise. So join with arrows. Which sentence is for which cat? The cat is between the balls. Between means in the middle of the balls. तो इसके लिए तो two balls होना चाहिए. So you can see in the picture where are the two balls and the cat is between the balls. Yes, it is on the right hand side, second picture. So the cat is sitting between the balls. Next one is the cat is in the ball. In the ball means in the ball. अब देखिए कौन सी वाली बॉल के अंदर है? Yes, it is on the left hand side, first picture. Now third sentence, the cat is beside the ball. Beside means sitting on the side. So in which picture you can see it is sitting beside? Yes, it is on the third. It is the third number or on the right hand side. Next, the cat is on the ball. On the means on the top. So you can see on the right hand side only, first picture, the cat is on the ball. The cat is near the ball. Near the ball, you can see near the ball, it is on the third picture of the left hand side, or you can see right hand side also, third picture, it is also correct. The cat is under the ball. Under means नीचे. So where under the ball? Yes, it is downside, middle one. No, it is on the left hand side, second one picture. It is under the ball. Now the cat is behind the ball. Behind means पीछे. Now you can see on the left hand side, the last picture, fourth one, it is behind the ball. Now next one is the cat is above the ball. Above means ऊपर. So above, लेकिन above में ये difference होता है. On means it is touching the ball, and above means it will not touch the ball. It is above, ऊपर है. So you can see right hand side, downside, last picture, it is above the ball. Now last sentence is the cat is in front of the ball. In front of means उसके सामने है. तो इसमें लास्ट वाला जो इसके साथ में ही पिक्चर बनी हुई है, डाउन साइड, it is in front of the ball. So you can see the positions of the ball and the cat, and what